I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Webull for day trading. First, ensure your account meets the pattern day trader rule, which requires a minimum of $25,000 in equity to avoid restrictions on frequent trades. Webull provides a robust platform for commission-free stock and ETF trading. Familiarize yourself with the advanced charting tools and indicators available to help you analyze market trends effectively. This foundation is crucial for successful day trading. To begin day trading on Webull, funding your account correctly is essential. You'll need to deposit at least $25,000 to comply with the pattern day trader rule, allowing you to make more than 3-day trades in a 5-business-day period. Link your bank account for seamless and secure deposits. Webull also offers instant buying power for certain deposit methods, giving you immediate access to funds for trading. When executing trades, understand the different order types. Market orders execute immediately at the best available price, while limit orders allow you to set a specific price. Stop limit orders help manage risk. Always monitor real-time market data and news feeds for informed decisions. Before committing real capital, utilize Webull's paper trading feature to practice strategies and gain confidence without financial risk. Effective risk management is paramount in day trading. Always set stop-loss orders to automatically sell a security if it drops to a certain price, limiting your potential losses. Diversify your trading strategies and never risk more than a small percentage of your capital on any single trade. Remember to check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals to upgrade your home.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.